Hello and welcome to a new video of Tech Talks. Today we're going to talk about cloud service providers and their global market. What is a cloud service? The term cloud services refers to a wide range of services delivered on demand to companies and customers over the internet. These services are designed to provide easy, affordable access to applications and resources without the need for internal infrastructure or hardware. From checking email to collaborating on documents, most employees use cloud services throughout the workday, whether they are aware of it or not. How does the cloud service work? Cloud services are fully managed by cloud computing vendors and service providers. They are made available to customers from the provider's servers, so there is no need for a company to host the application on its own premises servers. What are the benefits of cloud service? Some of the key benefits of using cloud services include the ability to scale. The cloud service provider supplies all necessary infrastructure and software. There is no need for a company to invest in its own resources or allocate extra IT staff to manage the service. This, in turn, makes it easy for the businesses to scale the solution as user needs. Change whether that means increasing the number of licenses to accommodate a growing workforce or expanding and enhancing the application themselves. Lowered cost. Many cloud services provide on a monthly or annual subscription basis, eliminating the need to pay for on-premises software licenses. This allows organizations to access software, storage, and other services without having to invest in the underlying infrastructure or handling maintenance and upgrades. Increased flexibility. With cloud services, companies can procure services on an on-demand as need basis if when there is no longer a need for a particular application or platform, the business can simply cancel the subscription or shut down the service. What types of cloud services are there? Generally speaking, there are three basic types of cloud services. Software as a service or SaaS. The most widely recognized type of cloud service is known as software as a service or SaaS. This broad category encompasses a variety of services such as file storage and backup, web-based email project management tools, infrastructure as a service, also known as IaaS. Infrastructure as a service or IaaS provides the infrastructure that many cloud service providers need to manage SaaS tools but don't want to maintain themselves. It serves as a complete data center framework, eliminating the need for resource-intensive on-site installation. Platform as a service, also known as PaaS. The cloud service model, known as Platform as a Service or PaaS, serves as a web-based environment where developers can build cloud apps. PaaS provides a database, operating system, and programming language that organizations can use to develop cloud-based software without having to maintain the underlying elements. Many IaaS vendors also offer PaaS capabilities. How are cloud services delivered? When deciding how to leverage cloud services, organizations must also decide which type of environment works best for the business. Public cloud, private cloud, or a mix of both. Public cloud services. Services that a provider makes available to numerous customers over the web are referred to as public cloud services. The SaaS, IaaS, and PaaS are all providing public cloud-based services. The biggest benefit of using public cloud services is the ability to share resources at scale, allowing organizations to offer employees more capabilities than would likely to be alone. Private cloud services. Services that a provider does not make generally available to corporate users or subscribers are referred to as private cloud services. With a private cloud service model, apps and data are made available through the organization's own internal infrastructure. The platform and software serve one company alone and are not made available to external users. Companies that work with highly sensitive data, such as those in healthcare and banking industries, often use private clouds to leverage advanced security protocols and extend resources in a virtualized environment as needed. In a hybrid cloud environment, a private cloud solution is combined with public cloud services. This arrangement is often used when an organization needs to store sensitive data in the private cloud but wants employees to access apps and resources in the public cloud for day-to-day communication and collaboration. Proprietary software is used to enable communication between the cloud services, often through a single IT management console. Cloud service provider. There are many cloud service providers in the market. Some of them are Amazon Web Service, which is also known as AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, IBM Cloud Services, and Adobe Creative Cloud. Number 1 comes the Amazon Web Service, also known as AWS. Amazon Web Services is a cloud computing platform which provides services such as compute power, database storage, content delivery, and many other functions which will help to integrate a business. The Amazon Web Services is flexible, scalable, and reliable, and due to this, many companies are implementing it in their work. There is no upfront cost, and the customer has to pay only for what they have used. It is one of the leading cloud services providers among all. With the help of the internet, the customer can access highly durable storage such as Amazon Glacier, Amazon S3, and Amazon EBS. It also has a high performance database such as Amazon Redshift, Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon Elasticache, and Amazon RDS. Next in our list is Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing service which is used for building, testing, managing the application. This process is done in a global network of Microsoft managed data center. It is a private as well as a public cloud platform. It uses virtualization, which differentiates the coupling between the operating system and CPU with the help of an abstraction layer known as hypervisor. This hypervisor emulates all the functionality of the physical machine such as hardware and server into a virtual one. There is a numerous amount of virtual machine available, and each virtual machine can run many operating systems. In the data center of Microsoft, there are many servers, and each server consists of a hypervisor through which multiple virtual machines can operate. With the help of Azure, it is easy for developers and IT professionals to manage and deploy their application and services. Next on our list is Google Cloud Platform. Google Cloud Platform is one of the leading cloud computing services which are offered by Google, and it runs on the same infrastructure that Google uses for its end user products. The Google Cloud Platform is basically used for Google Search and YouTube. There are various services offered by Google Cloud such as data analysis, machine learning, and data storage. The data stored in Google Cloud is secure and can easily be accessed. It offers varieties of services from infrastructure as a service to platform as a service. Google also provides a strong commitment to security and stability. With the help of Google Cloud Platform, the user is free to think about the code and the feature which are needed to be developed without worrying about the operations. Here most of the services are fully managed and detailed, quite easily for the customer to concentrate on their work. In this, machine learning and the use of API are very easy. The API also helps in speech detection, language translation, so it is preferred among the customers. Next is IBM Cloud Services. IBM Cloud offers services such as platform as a service and infrastructure as a service. This cloud organization can deploy and access its resources such as storage, networking, and compute power with the help of internet. There are several tools which help the customer to draw on deep industry expertise. The speed and agility of the cloud fulfill the requirement of the customer and make them feel satisfied. A customer using IBM Cloud can easily find growth opportunities, generating new revenue schemes and improving the operational efficiency. The uses of IBM Cloud don't have many barriers as compared to traditional technologies. IBM Cloud eliminates the complex problem and the problems which faced by large companies. IBM Cloud Computing Service are also helping some home appliance manufacturers, retailer and medical supply businesses. It uses in because it offers the best service with the price as low as possible. Next in our list is Adobe Creative Cloud. Adobe Creative Cloud provides the best experience of apps, service design, photography, and web. The Adobe Cloud Services provide tutorials and templates with which a beginner can easily access the cloud and can start using it. It provides many facilities to the beginner as well as professionals for easy access to the cloud. It consists of many applications and services that provide access to a collection of software which uses for video editing, web development, photography and graphic designs. There are mobile application as well as computer application which can be used by the customer. Creative Cloud allows you to work from anywhere and from any device as the files can save on the cloud and can be accessed at any time from anywhere. Creative Cloud was the first host on Amazon Web Service, but as per the new agreement with Microsoft, the Adobe Creative Cloud now hosted on Microsoft Azure. Cloud Services Market. The cloud services market consists of sales of cloud services by entities, organizations, sole traders and partnerships that provide the delivery of information, technology, resources, application on demand through an internet platform. Companies in which the cloud services industry provide access to services through their servers, storage, database, a broad set of application services managed by a hardware networking. This market includes sales of storage servers which are used to store, access, secure and manage digital data files and services. The global cloud service market reached a value of $325.1 billion in 2018, having a growth at a compound annual growth rate of 10.7% since 2014 and is expected to grow at a rate of 12.9% to nearly $528.4 billion by 2022. Growth in the cloud service market in the historic period resulted from enterprises increasing preference from shifting in-house IT infrastructure to third parties to minimize operational cost. Increased internet penetration, technology development, a low interest rate environment, and favorable government initiatives also drove the cloud service market. The capital intensive environment of the cloud service industry, which requires frequent investing in updating of IT infrastructure to stay efficient and competitive. Government regulation and cybersecurity concerns restrained the cloud services market in the historic period. This is the data I have collected over the internet on cloud service providers global market. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.